Good morning, students. This is Satish Mehta. Computer Science, Chapter 1. We are today revising all the question answers, that is, all the exercise of all the three chapters for Terminal 1. Let's get started. I shall be starting from filling the blanks. First question. A dash is a set of instruction which tells the computer what to do. Answer is program. Second, 4 is written. The development of computer languages can be classified into 4 categories. Third, dash language consists of sets of binary numbers, that is 0 and 1. Answer is machine language. Fourth, dash was the first interactive computer game. The answer is Space War. Fifth, dash uses simple English words and mathematical operators. Answer is high level language. Sixth, dash language uses mnemonic codes or symbol. Answer is assembly. Seventh, dash was the first computer language for writing artificial intelligence program. Answer is LISP. Next, state true or false. Machine language is the only language which computer understands. The answer is true. Machine language uses mnemonic codes. Answer is false. It is using binary digits, that is 0 and 1. Third, each programming language has its own specific rules and syntax. The answer is true. Fourth, assembly language is regarded as the first generation language. The answer is false. Fifth, compiler converts a high-level language program into machine language line by line. The answer is false. High-level language program has to be converted into machine language by translator programs. The answer is true. And seventh, programming is the process of writing specific instructions in a computer language. The answer is true. Next, C. Application-based questions. First, Kapil's aunt was a computer programmer during the third generation of computer language. Which kind of language was she using then? Answer is high-level language. Next, Sumit is trying his hand in Java programming, but he does not know which type of language it is. Help him in solving his query. The answer is third generation language or high level language. Next is multiple choice question and answers. A program written in the assembly language is called source program. 1B. 2. And dash converts a high level language program into machine language line by line. Answer is interpreter. The term software was first used by John W. Tukey. So 1B, 2C, 3B, 4B. Next, answer the following. What do you mean by machine language? Answer 1. First point, it is the only language that computer understands. Second point, it uses binary form, that is 0 and 1. Third point, 0 means off state and 1 means on state. Fourth, it has advantage of very high speed and very low memory utilization. And fifth point, it is called as low level language. as it was difficult for many people to remember and write the program using 0 and 1 code. So that's why it is considered as low level language. Answer number 2. How is assembly language different from machine language? First point, it uses mnemonic codes or symbols. M is silent, so that's why the spelling starts with Nemonic. So M is silent, mnemonic. Second, it has to be converted from assembly language to machine language using translator programs. Third, program written in assembly language is called source program, and program converted into machine language is called object code. Question number 3. What are the features of high level language? First point, it uses English words and mathematical operators, which is easier for humans as well as the machine can convert it quickly. Second, it is machine dependent. Machine independent means the program can run in any of the machines once installed. Third, it has to be converted to machine language by translated programs using interpreter and compiler. Next question. Differentiate between an interpreter and a compiler. So what is interpreter and what is compiler? Interpreter, it translates programs line by line. Compiler, first point, it translates whole program at once. Interpreter, second point, errors if any has to be removed immediately. Compiler, second point, it generates object code for the program along with list of errors. Interpreter, last point, execution is very slow. Compiler, execution is very fast. So interpreter translates all the program. That means if you are typing the program, say for example you have typed first line of the program, and when you want to type the next line of the program, when you press the enter key, it will show you an error if you have made it. It will not allow you to type the next line until and up till you clear the error. Once you clear the error, then it will allow you to type. So that is what interpreter is. Compiler will allow you to type each and every line of the program. At the end, it will show you the list of errors, and then you will have to go to that particular line of the program, correct the errors, and then you can run the program. So this is the basic difference between interpreter and compiler. Okay, it's just a revision. Let's enjoy reading. Next chapter. Chapter number 4, Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, in this chapter, Microsoft PowerPoint 2007, chapter number 4, fill in the blanks. We specify number of rows and column in the dash dialog box. It is insert table dialog box over here. Page number 32, right? Insert above option is present on the layout tab. The shading tool is used to apply different background colors in a table. The plot area is a window within the chart area that contains the actual chart itself. Fifth, data series are the bars that show the data value. The pen weight tool is present in the draw border group. Let's move to true and false. To insert a table in a presentation, we should use title slide layout. The answer is false. Text can be entered in a table by clicking on the desired cell. Answer is true. Third, multiple rows can be added in a table. Answer is true. Fourth, the border of a table cannot be modified. Answer is false. When we insert a chart, the data is also displayed in a special window called datasheet. The answer is true. We cannot delete the entire data of a datasheet. The answer is false. Seventh, the text is aligned to the top of a cell by default. True. Next, application-based questions. Rajiv has created a presentation of 5 slides in a Microsoft PowerPoint. In all the 5 slides, he has used only text. He wants to add one more slide in which he would insert chart and clip art. Suggest him which type of slide layout should he use for the same. So the question is, which slide layout will he select? The answer is title and content slide layout, because it has the buttons. On that button known as insert table, you click on it and the table will come. So that is quickly accessing the insert table button with the help of title and content slide layout. Next, Sumit is working in MS PowerPoint 2007. He has created a table of 4 rows and 5 columns, but later on he realized that he needs one more row in the same table. Help him by suggesting the correct option to perform this task. So let us understand the steps. First of all, you need to click on Table tab. In that you need to right click. Then you need to click on Insert option, and then you need to click on Insert rows above. You can use Insert rows below also if you want it below, but here it is asked one row has to be inserted above, so we are using Insert rows above. So go to your table, select it, right click on that table where you want to insert that particular row, click on Insert button, and then Insert row above button is there, click on it and the row will be inserted in the table. Next, multiple choice question, page 33. Intersection of row and column is called cell 1C. Second, legend depicts the pattern, color or the symbols which are assigned to the data series. Third, alignment refers to the positioning of text in a table cell. Alignment means where you are placing the text, top left corner, center or the right hand side of that cell. So alignment helps us. After inserting a table in PowerPoint 2007, table tools appear automatically. Table tools like inserting the color to the border, giving border, like that. In MS PowerPoint 2007, chart button is present on the Insert tab. So you need to click on Insert tab and the chart button is there. Click on it and you can insert a chart. There are 6 alignment buttons on the Layout tab. Answer the following. How will you insert a table in a presentation? Explain any 2 ways. So 2 methods I have taught. First method, go to insert tab. These are nothing but the steps. You actually do these steps and you will get the answer as it is. Go to insert tab, click on the table option, click on insert table option, define number of rows and columns you want and press OK button. So the table will be inserted in the slide. What is the another way? Second method, go to the home tab, click on layout tab, select title and content option. The slide is of that kind. Click on insert table option. A small dialog box will come wherein you will have to specify number of rows and column and press OK button. The table will be inserted. So these are the two different ways to insert the table. Next, how will you add row in a table? How will you add rows in table? Very easy answer. First, place insertion point in a cell. Second, right click on mouse button. Due to that, the pop-up menu will come. Now select insert options and click on either rows above or below option. So this will help you to insert an extra row in the table. Answer number 3. How can you apply border to a table and change its color? Very simple. Steps to apply border color. Select entire table first of all. Go to design tab. Third step, in table style option, click on all border option. Steps to change color. Select entire table. Go to draw border options. In pen color, select color of your choice. Select all border option from table style option. So this is the quickest, the smartest and the fastest way to apply border color to the table. Next question. How can you apply a new table style to a table? Select entire table. Go to pen style option. Click on style you want to apply a table. Now select all border option. So this is the way to quickly give new table style. That says the borders what you are giving, the dotted, the dot and a dash and dot and dash and dot. So these are the various border style you can apply to the table. How will you align the text to the bottom of the cell? So in that particular box, any one particular box or entire table, because entire table is made up of cells. So where you want exactly place this text, you want to place this text exactly at the bottom of that cell. So how to do that? Select any cell entry. Cell entry means where you already entered the text. That is known as cell entry. Select any cell entry. Go to layout option. That is in layout option. Select align bottom option. Simple it is. Go to layout option and click on align bottom option. The text will be placed at the bottom of the cell. Next question. What is a chart? Name the components of a chart. Oh, that's a wonderful question. First point, chart helps in displaying the data in pictorial form, that is in the picture form. That's why it is called as pictorial form. With the help of charts, it is easier for us to compare, display, growth, etc. Components of charts are chart area, category axis, value axis, data series, category name, plot area and legend. So this is the very short and quick answer to remember. How will you delete the default data of a data sheet? Question number 7. First move the mouse pointer to the blank button. It is in the upper left corner of the column indicator. So when you are inserting the chart, the Excel sheet automatically opens. And if you go near the label A and 1, A is the column label and one is the row label. So in between both of them there is a box which is empty. That box is empty box. When you click on that box, the entire sheet will be selected, and then you will see the mouse pointer changes to big plus sign, and then you have to press the delete key. The moment you press delete key, whatever the data is there will be removed. You can do it practically, it will happen. How will you change the chart type? Go to design menu, go to type option, click on change chart type option, select the chart of your choice. 9. Explain how a chart layout can be modified. First point, chart layout defines how specific chart information will appear. Like column is there, bar is there, pie chart is there, like that. Select the chart, go to design tab. In chart layout option, select chart layout of your choice. So this completes revision of question answers of both the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day. Please go through each and every page of all the 3 chapters, read it thoroughly, by heart it, and get good marks. Enjoy your learning. Keep smiling. Thank you. Have a nice time.